Okay, I got a few things I got to fix or add to the last 3 videos. This is my final installation in my sailing series here for the fall. I'm taking it over now to haul her out, motoring over. And a couple of things that I missed yesterday that I wanted to straighten out. One, I forgot to put my flag up. At this time in our country's history, how could I forget to put the flag up? But I did. There's something to be said in really windy weather to not having it up, because you could, lose it. But still, got it up today, so I'm making up for it. So there's that. The other thing is, I misstated knots compared to miles per hour. And when I was coming back in the river, I had a nice tack. It was just like, a couple of legs straight into the river. It was a beautiful day, beautiful sail, great way to end the season. But my highest speed that I noticed was 6 knots, which is actually 6.9 miles per hour, which works perfectly with my new song, Under 7 Miles Per Hour. Is that what it's called? Less than 7 miles per hour is the name of the song. Anyway, I would have been disappointed if I was regularly going over 7. It kind of destroys the song. Although, I'd have been thrilled to be going that fast. So, it's double-edged sword. Anyway, so that's it. We've had a wonderful year of sailing. I didn't get as much as I want, because I never do, but I've been doing a lot of work building, and I had a lot of stuff to move out of storage and stuff. It's been a busy year for me working-wise, but I was able to squeak quite a bit away. Leslie suggested I take 2 weeks off in the middle of the summer, and I get quite a bit of sailing in then. Not as much as I should have, which she points out to me when I'm complaining about hauling out early, that I didn't make the best use of my 2 weeks. But, I was pretty tired some days. So I'd get late starts and I'd get, small amounts of sail. But I had some wonderful days this year. It's been a great year on the water. Been about as happy as can be. One thing that happened this summer was we had a lot of great white sharks around. And Leslie got to sail a few times this year, which was great also. Sometimes she doesn't get enough. She gets way less than I do. And but she had some nice days with me also. And she was very concerned about the white sharks. She was looking for white sharks all the time and didn't dare put her hands in the rail and everything else. And then at one point I said, you're hoping to see them, aren't you? She said, well, yeah, from a distance. But I never did see one. Neither of us did. But there's been a lot of sightings around, so they are around. But I've yet to see one face to face, which is fine with me. I'd rather see the seals that they're after for food and see them still surviving. We were very lucky yesterday to have a seal show up in a video. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for everybody for watching my collection. Hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to be in the water next year, but at least with all the hurricane stuff that's happening right now, that's Leslie's main concern is we get her safe. And she's the voice of reason. She's right. We really should get it hauled out. I'm usually one of the last ones to haul. I still am. The boatyard is pretty full right now. So I'm still one of the last ones, and I just shouldn't be a baby and should haul out. And if we get hammered with some serious weather, we'll be real happy to be where we are. So that's the end of the year for me on the water. Catch you later.